Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my budget keyboard, which is the Royal Kludge RK61. But before I get into that, if you guys go down, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know how your guys' day is going. I'll be responding to all comments down below. And also, I have a Twitter account in my description, so if you guys want to go follow that, I'll be following back everybody who follows me on there, so go follow that. You guys got to teach me how to use that app because I don't really use it too often, but that is my first social media for this YouTube channel, so go check it out down below if you guys really want to. I'll follow you guys back, but let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be talking to you guys today about my keyboard, which is the Royal Kludge RK61. Comes in at about $52, and it is a 60% keyboard. Now this is the $52 version, this is the black one that has the orange or gold backlighting, and there's also a white one that has blue backlighting. And then if you want to spend a little bit extra money, you can get the more RGB colored one that has all the colors in black and white. I think it might be $10 extra, but if you really want the RGB light like my mouse has here, like that kind of a light look, then I'd pick that one up if I were you. But I'm just going to go over a few features of this real quick. So to use the top row of keys here, the F keys, you have to press the function button and then click these. You have to hold the function button down and click these, which can be kind of annoying. And if you do press function and then you come over here and click this control button, you switch to 3 menus of options, which will allow you to use the different keys and, like, I don't know if you can see right there, print screen, pause, insert, home, page up, stuff like that. You'll be able to use those keys by switching through the different key layouts and systems. So, and next, if you want to change the color rotation, you can just hold this FN key right here and then click this button right here, which has a little logo on it for changing the color right there. See it? You just click this and you can change. It goes up to down, and then it goes spiral, random little, and there's a bunch of different things that you can go through. That's off, that's normal, it's off again, and it's back. That's just plain. That's one, and then that's the one I had it on right there. So I'm gonna go back to that one right there. So it has a lot of different color systems that go through it. Like you can have different spirals and stuff like that. And now I'm going to get into a quick modification I added, which is O-rings. So, alright, so right here is the Oring Pack I picked up off Amazon. It was fairly cheap, I think under $10, something like that. And it came with, in here there's a keycap puller, you can see it right here. It came with like 500 O-rings or something like that. It came with a few keycap pullers, which you can see in there right there. And it also came with like some dusters to like dust your keyboard if the keycaps are off when you take them off to put on O-rings. But here I'll show you guys really quickly. I'll take one of these out here. There you go. Like that, and grab this keycap puller out right here. I'm going to go over here and grab, and once you actually get it off and over it, so you can see the switch behind it, which there's the switch right there. There are different options for switches on Amazon, but these are the switches I have. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put it on the screen if I could figure out which switches I have on this, but that's that. So then right here, I took off my caps lock key, if you guys can see that. It's kind of dark. There we go. And on the back here, I put an O-ring right there. You can see actually I put 2 because I came with a lot, so I stacked 2 on there, and it kind of got rid of some of the vibrations that the keys had. The keys do still have a lot of vibrations, which I'll show you in a second when I do a little bit of a typing test. But the keycaps are easy to take off with the keycap puller. You can add O-rings to reduce the distance that your key has to tap down. So I'll show you guys. The key doesn't have to go down as far now because it would go down a slight bit farther. But that's how it works right there. And now I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a sound test. I know my microphone on this camera is not too great, but all right. You can hear it, so. That's how it sounds. It's the space bar. Kind of some rattle there. So yeah, some rattle, stuff like that. But if you guys like want a cheap budget keyboard, I would highly suggest picking this one up. If you want to practice adding mods, I'm pretty sure you could modify this even more than I have. I did a slight mod. There's a ton of modifications you can do to keyboards. I'm not really into keyboards like that too much, but if you want to really work on this keyboard, it's a cheap budget option. You don't really have to worry about messing up and stuff like that. So if you guys want to pick up this keyboard, link will be in the description. Also have the the better RGB lighted one also in the description, and I'll have this O-ring set if you guys want to pick it up. Go ahead and check the links in the description. I'll have them all down there. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, and thank you guys for watching.